I lost my molars earlier, and I couldn't eat a salad, or I really couldn't chew.
I had a very complicated case because I had some jaw distortion and my jaw jutted out.
We're a team of professionals with a lab who care about your smile and your health and your overall being. We work hard to make sure that every single person who walks through our door leaves feeling more confident than they did when they came in.
I really love these teeth. I love this experience. Dr. PeyRay did an excellent job. The staff did an excellent job. You can't beat perfection. You can't beat it. I got the best smile on this side of heaven.
He gave me back my smile, and that's important. I have something that everybody takes for granted most times, but I have that, and I have it again, and it's permanent. I love it.
Call now for your complimentary dental implant consult, the first step towards your new smile.